Hello guys, so today I have this laptop Acer Aspire 7, and uh, Acer have a tendency to put a sticker on the screw so that you cannot change the RAM or upgrade your hard disk or SSD by yourself, so that you have to visit their own service center and have to pay extra. I believe if you buy a RAM from Amazon or from local market, it will cost you half as the Acer guys charging you. So I'm talking about this sticker. You see, no other brand have this kind of stickers or anything. This is their warranty void sticker. If you remove this sticker and while opening the back cover of this laptop, they will void the warranty. And changing the RAM, I believe it should be a necessity. It should be a option without putting this kind of stickers. So my goal is here to remove this sticker so that we can open this laptop and also repaste it again, so that warranty void thing does not goes. So here it is. So what we need to do, we need to either take a shaving blade or empty tablets kind of thingy. So just gently just put this into the yep, just like that. Just try to slide it through the sticker itself, and yeah, here we go. So see, the sticker is still intact, and here is the screw holes. So we need to just remove these screws and have to install the RAM. So yesterday actually I bought a RAM from Amazon, and today morning it came. The brand of this RAM, I believe this is for Crucial Basic RAM, DDR4 8GB, which actually cost me around 2200 rupees, and it's a DDR2666 hertz megahertz RAM. So here it is. So came into very compact packet and very small. Usually laptop RAMs are smaller than the desktop one. So here it is. We gonna install this one because the RAM this Acer laptop have, it's just 8GB, and if you are doing high-end gaming, or maybe you are doing Adobe Premiere editing, then you would require at least 16 gigs of RAMs to run the program smoothly without any lag or delay. So we're gonna install it. It's already have 8GB. And one more thing, a lot of people actually uploading video about this laptop. So here it is. I bought it from Flipkart during the Big Billion Day sale. Initially I ordered the AMD one, but later I found that Intel processor is far stronger. I'm talking about the current previous generation. I'm talking about AMD 3550H processor.